Here's the answer for day 4, problem 1. Sketch the graph of this cosine function. This has a vertical shift up 1, and so I'm going to draw a dashed line crossing at 1. This is my new center line of my function. The regular cofunction will have its first dot located up here, and then it will go down to here, and then up here. And that means that halfway between this spot and this spot is where it will cross our center line. And again, right there. So this looks like this. We can then replicate this to the left. So it will touch down here at negative pi, and then back up there. And then halfway between these marks is where it's going to cross the center line. Now, day 4, problem 2. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of this sequence. The rate of change from term to term is to increase by 3 units. We know the first 5 terms, but we don't know the 20th term. So one thing we could do is figure out the 20th term using a formula. Let's create a formula that will find us any term, n. We take the rate of change, 3, multiply by the number of term that we want to figure out, and then adjust it so that it correctly outputs the numbers in this list. When n is 1, 3 times 1 makes 3, but to get negative 10, I would have to subtract 13 from 3. Here's the formula that will find us any term in the sequence. We want to figure out the 20th term. So 3 times 20, take away 13, that's 47. So in the sequence, when it went dot, 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 eventually you get to 47. That's the 20th term. Now to find the sum of 20 terms, we can use the formula. You take the number of terms and divide by 2, and multiply that by the first term plus the 20th term. 20 divided by 2 makes 10. Negative 10 and 47 is 37. And this makes 370.